Welcome back to my channel. This is Coin Code. I am DMO. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your crypto portfolio with a well-trusted AI platform. And in addition, I'm going to show you how you can set up your account and how you can take advantage of this new system. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video. And before I proceed, please use 2 seconds of your time to like this video and make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And as well, join my Telegram community for more updates. So now let's move. Now this system I'm about to show you has been in existence since 2017 and it is known as Tokensets, which you can find the link on the video description below. Tokensets is an algorithm trading system and a decentralized finance platform that is built on the Ethereum blockchain, which is also known as Set protocol. And you can also find their mobile app on Play Store, which I will show you how to set up your account. Now in simple terms, Set protocol works as an arbitrage AI robot, just as you can see the working principle of Set protocol. Although make sure you do further research because I'm not a financial advisor. Now for you to get started on this platform, you just got to click on the link on the video description below. And when you click on the link, it will take you to this section for you to register an account, then download the app. And make sure you register an account before downloading the app, which I will show you on this video. Now after inputting your country code and your phone number, you just got to click on next, you understand? And then you enter the OTP that is being sent to your phone number, you understand? Then after inputting it, you click on next step. Then after that, it will take you to this page where it says your account have been registered successfully. So you just got to install the app either from Play Store or from the website directly, but I suggest you go for Play Store. So you just got to click on get it on Play Store. You click on it and automatically it will take you to Play Store. You can see that I've already installed the app, so you just got to click on open. And when you open the app, it will take you to this section where you just got to input your country number, then input your phone number. And make sure when inputting the phone number as a Nigerian, you don't need to input the first number, which is a 0, you understand? So you just got to put +234 and your number starting from either 8, 9, you understand my point? Just as you can see on your screen right now. Then you click on next step, then wait for the OTP, and by the time you input the last number, automatically it will load up to your dashboard. And this app has a very to use interface, and all you'll be doing is to navigate with the button below, either to the market section, to your team, to your transaction, or to your wallet. Now because it is an AI arbitrage platform, you'll not be doing anything else. It works in a way that you'll be depositing either USDT, TRX, Uniswap, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Polkadot, DOGE or even USD coin, and you will open an investment cycle either for 1 day, 15 days, 30 days, 45 days, or even 60 days. And just as you can see, for 1 day entrusted cycle, you'll be receiving 30% estimated monthly income, and for 15 days you'll be receiving 45% estimated monthly income. Now the way it works is that if you go for 1 day entrusted cycle, you'll be receiving 1% daily, you understand? And if you do that for 30 days, you are going to receive 30%. That means at the end of the 1 day, the trade will cancel, you understand? Then automatically the balance will reflect in your actual balance. And if you go for 15 days, for the entire 15 days, your balance will be locked, you understand? And at the end of the 15 days, the balance will reflect back to your dashboard, you understand my point? And by the time you recycle it, which is at the end of that 15 days, for another 15 days, which make it 30 days, you are going to receive 45% of your capital, you understand my point? And this principle also applies to other entrusted cycle, like the 30 days, 45 days, and the 60 days. Now remember, this is for the USDT tab alone. By the time you deposit with USDT, you are going to trade with USDT, and by the time you look closely, you can see the list of coins which they support, you understand? So you just got to click either TRX or Uniswap. Then on TRX, you can also see the entrusted cycle and the monthly return, and same as well as Dogecoin and other crypto like Litecoin. I have been using this platform and I've been making cool money from it. And one cool thing about this platform is that you can be making at least $60 for the month with a minimum capital of $100, or you go for the 1 day plan, which you can be making at least $30 with 1 day plan and a capital of $100, you understand? Although you can even earn more by the time you increase your capital, and it all depends on you. And if you know you are getting any value from this video, make sure you like this video and make sure you have subscribed to this YouTube channel. Now on this platform, there is no limit to the amount of trade you can open, and just as you can see, I already have a running trade which will close in the next few minutes. So for you to deposit to this platform, you just got to click on recharge, and automatically it will take you to this section for you to select the crypto at which you want to deposit. If you want to deposit using USDT, then you just got to leave it on USDT. So you just got to input the amount at which you want to deposit, which is your recharge. So let me say 100. Then when you click on 100 and you click on confirm, then automatically an address will pop out for you. So you just got to copy this address, then you deposit 100 USDT to this address, and make sure you take note of the instruction given that it says it is forbidden to deposit assets other than USDT, TRC 20 of the USDT, you understand? And it also says that the recharge time is approximately 10 to 30 minutes of the account, which means by the time you deposit your account, it will take like 10 to 30 minutes for it to reflect on your dashboard. And as well, when you copy your address to send it, and you have successfully sent it, and you know that it is successful, you just got to come back to this platform to click on deposit completed, then wait for it to load up. And after 10 to 30 minutes, it will reflect on your dashboard, so you just got to click on market. Then on this section, you just got to select the plan that suits you, you understand? You can go for the 1-day plan, 15-day plan, 30 days plan, you understand my point? And all these depend on the type of crypto you deposit. If you deposit TRX, then you go to the TRX tab to deposit on TRX. If you deposit on Uni, you go to the Uni tab, then you choose your plan from the Uni tab, and also Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Polkadot, Dogecoin, and also USDC, you understand? But I will go for USDT because I deposited USDT, and I will go for the 1-day plan. Then on this section, you just got to impute the amount that you want to deposit. Let me say I want to invest 35 USDT. You understand my point? And when you impute the amount, you just got to impute your transaction password. And remember, when you register an account new, before you do any transaction, a menu will pop out for you to impute your transaction password, so that transaction password will be the one for you to execute trade and for you to withdraw. Then after imputing the password, you just got to click on confirmed, then wait for it to load up, and automatically the robot is loading, and you just got to wait for it to be successful. The 3 say account have been allocated, so you just got to wait for it to load up, and automatically your trade have been placed. And remember, you can have multiple trade open, just as you can see I have 2 trade open, you understand? And this one will be closing in the next 53 minutes, and this one just started, just as you can see, and both of them are in 1-day plan, so that I will see my money after 1 day. Now just imagine a startup price of $1,000 on a regular basis. You'll be receiving $10 every day for 30 days. That is like $300 plus, you understand, that you have made from this platform alone. Although it is from a personal decision, so make sure you do further research and make sure that you have trusted this platform before using it. Now at the end of everything, when you want to withdraw, you just got to click on withdraw, and on the withdraw tab, you just got to impute the type of crypto you want to withdraw, either USDT, TRX, Uni, or the type of crypto you already have in your balance, you understand? Then you input the amount, let me say 100 again, you understand? Then make sure it is on the TRC 20 network. You input your USDT address, the TRC 20 network address. You just got to input it. Then you click on confirmed, then wait for it to load up, and automatically it shows that they will remove 3 USDT as fee, you understand? Because this is how the company make money. They remove 3 USDT as fee, and you will receive 97 USDT. So you just got to input your transaction password that you created the last time. And after inputting your transaction password, your withdrawal will be successful, and within few minutes you will get your deposit, either of your exchange account that you use. So if you have any question, you can write me on Twitter at simplydmo with your question, and as well use the comment section for your compliment and questions, and make sure you're already a member of my Telegram community. As this will be it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.